Box hubs are used by teams to help them curate and share valuable content all in one place. It's also great for organizing information into an AI-powered content portal, so teams can quickly find information and get accurate answers from Box AI. In this video, I'll show you how quick and easy it is to create a new Box hub that can be used with Box AI. Today, I'm going to build a hub for our autonomous vehicle research team. Before we get started, let's take a look at the kind of content I have. These are all the files I have in my Box environment, already stored and organized, but there's a lot of different files and folders. For example, we have a lot of autonomous driving datasets. We also have a separate set of raw data tables, including data for things like emissions, populations, charging, and more. For someone to find the information they're looking for, it's not always obvious where they need to go in a file and folder structure. And there's a lot of files to comb through if they're looking for something specific. So instead, I'll start a new hub. I can give the hub a title. In this case, we'll call it the Autonomous Vehicle Research Hub. I can also customize the image here. I want to upload something related to the hub so that if a person visits the hub, helps them identify which hub they're in. I'll also put in a quick description of the hub so we know what's in the hub itself. Next, I'm going to add some structure to the hub, so we'll create a few sections. I can drag and drop those directly from the right side panel. In each section, I'm also planning to drop in files and folders, so I'll make sure each one has a files and folders block too. Now that I have some light structure, I can easily add content into each section. I can also switch between list and grid view. Presentations and charts have visual content, and there's not as many files in each of these sections. So I'll switch it to grid view to make it easier for my teammates to see them. For this particular hub, I'm not thinking too hard about how to visually organize a lot of the information. Given the type of content that I'm putting in, I expect most of our users will use Box AI with this hub. And Box AI can index and read through all of these files without me having to give it a lot of structure. Now that all of this content is in, we can save the hub and share it out to whoever needs it. To see an example of Box AI being used on this hub, check out the Box AI in action video linked in the description below. And that's how quick and easy it is to build a hub to use with Box AI.